When you were at a different time in your life, and I asked you, well, how do you find the hypotenuse of a right triangle? The little man or woman in your head went to the file cabinet, pulled out the folder that had triangle facts in it, and got the Pythagorean theorem out. And such as it was, maybe they had a hard time finding the folder or something because we all have different skills and different sort of openings, but it was all pretty well organized. In the years since you first learned these things, somebody has broken into your warehouse and they kicked all the file cabinets, man, and there is stuff everywhere. Because now you think about your mortgage and your job and all these other different sorts of things, and the Pythagorean theorem or the triangle inequality or some other little fact is strewn about the room on the floor. I sometimes picture these industrial fans blowing the papers all over the place. And when you get asked a question, the little man or woman in your head is desperately grabbing at these shreds. Oh, I hope something on the shred that I grab answers this test question. What our test prep program can do is help you organize your warehouse. Pull all those pieces that you've already learned, reorganize them for long enough that you have success on the test so that you can move on with the stuff that's way more fun.